Truly free, be stopped never through all that's happening.
I freaking knew it was Angry Birds, dude. I freaking knew it was Angry Birds. You told me to hit about on Discord, and I figured out immediately it was Angry Birds. I am alive. Hi guys, this is me, Blue Jay here, and today is another video from my guy Dre Higbee in this Meta Runner arc that we're doing. Birds of a feather gets angry together. Cool rhyme. Anyways, I'm really hyped to see how this is gonna go. So, with that being said, let's not waste any more time. Let's get into it. 3, 2, 1. Let's freaking go. Oh wait, my bullshit. Almost forgot mine. Yeah. This is Angry Birds. They're winning. Respect for Tara for holding Levi before the ground.
Are you okay, Levi? Oh, good. What is this place? Alright, Levi. From now on, let's stick together, okay? Maybe we could try and find someone that...
Bro!
Hey! Who did that?
The freak?
What's going on?
What? Oh, hey, y'all.
Oh, you're finally awake. Well, that's good, because now you can spill the beans. Who are you? And are you
I did not know anybody's existence that this red bird could talk.
Why? We don't mean any harm.
Silence, trespassers. We may be
Damn,
angry
bro.
birds, but we're not stupid birds. We knew that you're working for the pigs to steal more of our eggs, but we caught you red-handed. See what I did there?
No,
Bro,
we're not.
I don't get it, bro.
If that's the case, are you willing to take a test to prove your innocence?
Sure, I guess.
Fairly well, then.
What is it?
Follow us.
You do it?
Can you help us out of this first?
Why you not like tying it, bro? Like,
So, you're the guys that Tori used to hang out with?
Yep. We taught her almost everything about gaming.
heck yeah. Bro, you're giving me so many memories. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Welcome to our crew. This is Lamar,
Hey.
Elsa,
Yes. Yep.
Elle, and Lucinia.
Yep.
Together we are
The ND5!
It's nice to meet all of you. I'm still confused.
It's good seeing
Oh,
the man clearly.
Oh, here. There's my help.
Meta Runner script. Let's see here. Chapter 1. Tari wakes up in a lab, and then,
That should keep him busy.
So, how are we gonna get in contact with Tari?
Leave this to us, kid. We've learned from experience. You want us to eat worms?
Of course. Every bird knows that if you like worms, you're not a threat.
We're not, no.
You do know we're not birds, right?
Do you want to prove your innocence?
Okay, Levi. I know this might be gross, but just close your eyes and pretend it's spaghetti. Spaghetti that isn't cooked and cold.
Well, what if it is spaghetti? That would be hilarious if that were to be.
Wait. This kind of tastes like spaghetti?
That's because it is spaghetti.
Bro!
These aren't worms?
No, we just use food coloring.
Funny.
And now Levi. Now you get me. Oh,
You are all right.
okay.
What's your name?
Well, I'm Tari, and this is Levi.
Well, Tori, you're probably just what we need to defeat our pig problem.
Why are you so angry about pigs?
Because those pigs have been stealing our
They're
eggs.
always angry at the
I mean,
pigs.
what are we supposed to eat for breakfast?
I mean, you could have cereal, bacon, toast.
This is over, asses. We're gonna use it for something.
Okay.
Alright, bro, jeez!
Easy. Here's the plan.
This is why you're
As we
angry,
distract the
Red.
pigs, you sneak into their
Chuck
lair
bomb and
and
jerk,
get back
jerk,
our
jerk,
eggs, and then we'll have toast with them, and then we'll cut up those piggies and grind them up, and we'll turn them into bacon with our eggs.
Somebody
what
is
you think?
crazy.
Well,
Same, Tari,
I do
same.
want to do the last part, but I guess we can get your eggs back.
Oh, we gotta get through this
There
first,
they
huh? We gotta get through this
You know what
first,
to do,
huh?
right?
Right, I guess.
There's a slingshot and then hit the pigs.
No,
It's
Levi.
that simple.
This might be dangerous, and I don't want you getting hurt.
But I want to help.
Levi?
Oh my god.
Good boy.
Hey, pigs! Or should I say feed? Because you got something that belongs to us. Now, are you gonna give us back the eggs, or are we gonna have to force you?
Bro, don't even care.
Come at me, bitch! All right, we warned you.
Oh boy. Just like, yeah, using the disappearing tattoo. Got it. Love this. Using the disappearing tattoo. That's good. Bro.
You stupid birds miss.
Watch out, bro, because you're probably gonna get karma. Bro, really.
brains?
Here comes Jake and Jet.
Oh, there they are.
There we go.
My mango
Go is to blow up. And just like that, we're gonna make the gods. Yep. No. How got? W how? Says it makes it in like a minute.
So, you give up yet? Never. Never! Well, I didn't want to have to come to this, but I'm too hungry to even care.
What?
Oh, wait a minute. Can we talk about this? The time for talk is over. Now it's time for pork chops.
My lord. This is oh my gosh. This is pretty good. I love this.
That was delicious. Tastes like bacon.
Well, here you go, guys. Your eggs are back safe and sound.
Hey.
Our eggs! Thank you, guys. We couldn't have done this without your help. And now, it's time for egg salad sandwiches!
I think it's your best to go,
We're
man.
just gonna leave now. Question now is, how do we leave the game? Tori! What? Who's there? Don't tell me it's been taken that long since we talked.
Yes.
Sophia? Is that really you? In the flesh, along with everyone else.
Good to see you, Tori.
Hey, Tori!
How you doing, kid? Oh my
Man.
goodness! It really is you guys! Oh, it's been so long! But how? I mean, what? Your friends got a little concerned, so we helped him out.
Hey, Tori.
DH, you're here too?
Hey, you never told me that you used to hang out with these cool people.
They're always
Hey,
cool.
spoilers! I'm still stuck on the fag egg.
They're always cool.
Amazing. It's good seeing everyone again. And don't tell me, is that your nephew? Yee, he's so cute!
Aw.
He looks just like you! Yeah. Alright, Tari, you need to get ready because now it's time to finish the next 2 games. Let's do this.
This is already great. I love this. Oh my gosh. I'm glad the MD5 can help this. Oh my lord. Oh my gosh. For once, this is already like great to its many levels, and man, I can't believe the fact that I knew this already. Like literally, like I knew it was gonna be Angry Birds, but bro, like as a guy who plays Angry Birds, like when I was like little, then this brought me back memories, literally. Oh my gosh, and we finally got the MD5 crew back, literally. And I think they're gonna help Tari with every game, which is really, really, really cool to how it's gonna be. The biggest question I have is like, what is the next game gonna be? I mean, the more that we could think it'd be, I feel like it might be like an easy one or something. I don't know, bro. Has to give me another. But bro, so far I love how this looks. I love how the I love how birds can talk. Well, that's all we used in the movie, but again, not in the animated series they don't, but literally they talk, which is surprising. But overall, I really like how this is, and I really like how this is going. And so far, this arc right here is probably gotta be one of my favorites ever. Thank you, Dre, for putting me onto this amazing DH mod series that you did. Without this request, we probably wouldn't have not met. Which I really think you did. But so far, everything about how this is, everything about how it's is like, it's making me hyped for the next episode. That's gonna make me be. So I'm really, really hyped to see how this goes. But, hey, I guess we gotta wait. I guess we gotta find out to the next one. But that's gonna wrap it up. And I'm really hyped to see what the next episode is, literally. But I'm hyped to see how this goes. I'm hyped to see how this is gonna be. I really like how this is gonna go. So I think this is everything I had to say. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. Don't forget to social down below. Otherwise, I'll see you all next time. Take care, everybody.
Oh, I need one more chance. I won't go on with this. There's only one more heart to lose. Let it be my own. I'm left with what I see, what it feels to me. That feeling doesn't go away. Not gonna change my mind, no. I'm not left with a choice. You can make me lose my voice. And there's no time. Time is always there. I'll be gone and you can see my face and close that open door and go. All the lies, lies and it's okay. Sure that you can choose a side, but there's no going home. I know. It's always my fault to mistake you. Going